Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we start our next question of 14.3, 7th question, 8th question. We already learned how to represent the data in bar graph, in histogram and in frequency polygon. These are the three types to represent the data in graphically. So now in 8th question we have given a random survey of the number of children of various age group playing in a park. It is a survey is conducted by some organization on children. How many children are playing in parks? The children, those age are between 1 to 2. How many number of children playing in park? 5. Whose age between 2 to 3? 3. 3 to 5? 6. 5 to 7? 12 and this one. We have to represent histogram. But we know in if we want to represent in histogram, we need continuous interval. So first we check 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7 to 10, 10, 15, 15, 17. The class interval is already given continuous. So we have to represent in histogram. But there is one problem. What? We know, suppose I am taking one more example, 10 to 20, 20 to 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and like this one it is class interval, and it is number of letter, any number of letter, number of children. Every time for 6, 8, 10 and 12. If I ask you represent this data in histogram, you can represent easily because continuous also, but we know width of class interval. H mean class size, either you will say class size or class width. How much width? Understand or not? So class size 0 to 10, how many number of students? 10, 10 to 20, 10. How will you find class size formula or class width formula? Upper limit minus lower limit. This one. So what is upper limit? 10 minus 0, 0. So you can say what is class size of this one? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Every time class size is same. But here we observe class size 1 to 2. How many? 1, 2 to 3, 1, 3 to 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 5 to 7, 2, 7 to 10, 3, 5 and 2. The class size is not same in every class interval. There are different class size, but if we want to represent in histogram, we should need all the class intervals on the same size. Understand? Same size. 10, 10, 10. So in this what we do? Tell me. Suppose this one. So always remember this formula. Class size upper limit minus lower limit. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 10 minus 7, 2. So like this one. Everyone knows. Suppose, look at. If I represent this data in graph, only this one. So what will happen? Then there is a this one 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Number of letter 6, 8, 10 and like this one. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Represent this data. 0 to 10 how many? 6. You can represent easily. 10 to 20, 8. 20 to 30, 10. And now 30 to 40, 12. Like this one. We represent. But suppose in case, if I say you directly, I say you 0 to 10 is 6. 0 to 10, how many number of letters? 6. It is the length of the rectangle. These are all are rectangle, and these length and these, and what I told you, the width of each rectangle is always same. Suppose in this question here is given 0 to 10 is 6. I am direct right. 0 to 20. I am not taking. So 0 to 20, 6 plus 10. See, it is 0 to. If I ask you how many students whose got number of letter less than 20. So less than 20, 0 to 6, they are less than 26 letter. And 10 to 20 means less than 20. How many letters? So 0 to less than 20. How many students got letter? 14 students. If I write direct table 0 to 20 direct. 0 to 20. So how much? 0 to 20. So it means 0 to 10 also include and 10 to 20 also. So 6 plus 8. These are 14. Understand or not? These are 14. And same as it is if you want to represent this data in graph. So it is very difficult. It is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Like this one. So what is 0 to 20? How much? So 0 to 20. How much? 14. So it is 12. It is 14. So 0 to 20. The width of this one. And now 20 to 30, 10. 20 to 30, 10. Only this much. And now 30 to 40, 12. Only this much. You observe here the width of rectangle is different. Because here is all the widths are same. But here is not. So now we will do the proportion. What is the proportion? Proportion means, suppose cost of 2 pen is 4 rupees. So in proportion, cost of 4 pen. Cost of 1 pen is 2 rupees. And cost of 4 pen, 4 into 2, 8. So if number of pen is increased, so rate is also increased. So same as it is, we will do it in proportion. Proportion mean, so tell me, here 0 to 20 is 40 student. 0 to 20 is 14 student. If I say you 0 to 10 and 10 to 20. If I break this interval 0 to 20 into 0 to 10 and 10 to 20, it means 0 to half we will take. It means we will only guess it. 0 to 10, suppose half of 0 to 10 is half. 10 is half of 20. So number of letter is also 7 here, 7 here. 7 plus 40. So like this one we will convert. So how will we convert? Look at, it is one more formula also, how to proportionate, how to proportion of the length of rectangle. So right. So now we will do this question. So here number of children is given. This. So write number of children. It is. Now we will observe first class width. And what is class width? Check it first. Class width are same or not. What is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 5 and 2. Class width are not same. If class width are not same, then we will proportionate. We will proportionate this. How many? Like this one. 0 to 20 is 14 students. If I broke into 0 to 10 and 10 to 20, it means I broke in 2, so in 7 is there, 7 is half is also there. In proportion. Understand it or not? So so we write first, and next column is become length of rectangle. Length of rectangle means this one, these length. All the length of the rectangle, this one length. Understand? To length of rectangle, it is a finding a one formula. So before this one we will write, it can be observed, the data, it can be observed, what is? The data has all the data has class interval. We can observe that in the data the class interval has different width. What is different width? And length of rectangle, how will you find? Note down this formula, everyone. Length of rectangle equal to, how will you find it? A formula for length of rectangle. What is? Always remember, only this much is remember. First we will check it, which one class width is minimum, understand, and frequency, number of children mean always frequency, understand. So how will you find? So this one, so length of rectangle, it is very important. So write, so first we will write, if you want to find length of rectangle of this class interval, so we write frequency divide by, what is frequency? 5, understand, and class width, how much class width, and into minimum class width. Only this one formula, frequency divided by class width multiply minimum class width, understand or not? To write size of minimum, so its rectangle, how will you find? Frequency, what is? 5 divided by 1 multiply minimum, what is the minimum class width? 1, so multiply every time 1, so what will become? It is 5. Next, same as it is, frequency, how much? 3 divided by 1 means class width, what is the class width? 1, and minimum is 1, it is also 3. Next is 6 divided by 2, 6 means frequency divided by class width 2. Now you will ask, sir, here is every time same. No, because 6 divided by 2 into 1 multiply minimum class width. 6 divided by 2, 3. Yes, same as it is. What I told you, 0 to 20 is 14. So 0 to 10, 7, and 10 to 20 is 7. Same as it is. We want to proportionate it in compared to the class width. It's 1. So 5 to 7 is how much? 3 to 5 is 6, and if 3 to 5, if you will broke 3 to 4, 4 to 5. 3 to 5, how much given? 6. So it means 3. Understand it like this one. Next is 12 divided by 2 into 1, 6. 9 divided by 3 into 1, 3. 10 to 15, 2. Same as it is, 4 divided by 2 into 1. So what is the length of rectangle now? 5, 3, 3, 6, 3, 2, 1. Understand or not? Now length of, because length of rectangle is always depend on number of children. What is the frequency? If frequency is more, length of rectangle is also. But now we converting this. Understand? So we will write so this formula note down, and after this one, it can observe the data has class interval. The data has class interval. The data in class interval has different width. So now, what we will write? So therefore, we have to calculate. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate proportionate of it. We have to calculate the proportion. We have to calculate the proportion. The proportion of whose proportion? Of number of children to age 1 year, because minimum is 1, so therefore to age 1 year, between class sizes to 1 year. Now we will draw in graph. So now make the graph, this one and this one. So write here. So here we will write age in years. What is 1 to 2 and 1 to 70? 1 to 70. So you can make 2 gap also. It is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Now here is number of children, and we already changed number of children in length of rectangle. What is this one? So write here length of rectangle here. What is 5 to 2? So this one you can understand it. So length of rectangle. Note down it and draw the graph yourself. Length of rectangle here you can take. What is minimum is? What is minimum to maximum 6? So you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first is 1 to 2. 1 to 2. How much? Length of rectangle 5. 1 to 2. From here 1 to 2. Otherwise you can represent from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 17. And if you will write 1 distance, it is some length. Because 1 to how much? 5. So it is 1 and 2 is how much? 5. Now 2 to 3. How much? 2 to 3. How much? Is 3. So it is 3. 2 to. Next is 3 to 5. 3 to 5 how much? 3. 3 to it is 5. 3 to 5 is again 3. Next 5 to 7 2. 5 to 7 is 2. Next 7 to 10 is 3. 7 to 10 is 3. So 7 to 10 is how much? 3. Now 10 to 15 how much? 2. 10 to 15 it is 15. And now 15 to 17 2. So 15 to 17 is 2. So here class, the width of the class interval is not make a same. Okay, we will only proportion it. Understand? Always remember how will you find length of rectangle? 5, 3, 2. Frequency divided by class width. 5 divided by 1 into minimum. Understand it and draw it. And in also write on x-axis. What is? On x-axis age, and what is 1 unit equal to 2 years. Same as it is on y-axis. What is number of children? You can write, and what is 1 unit equal to 1 children, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Understand it? So note down it and draw its graph. Same as it is question number 9, last of this one. What is number of letters? Number of letters Next is number of surname. Number of surnames mean frequency. 1 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 12, and 12 to 20. What is 6, 30, 30, 44, and 16 and 4. So same as it is. First part, draw a histogram. If you want to histogram, it should be continuous. 1, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 7. Yes, but we observe the class width are not same. What is same as it is? Class width. Class width are upper limit minus lower limit. 4 minus 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 8. Class width are not same. So you write it can be observed. It can be observed from data. The class interval has different size. They are different size, and if it is different size, so we have to proportionate. We have to proportion whose number of surnames to number of letters. Understand? So we have to proportional number of surnames to what is the minimum class size. Always we will take the minimum class width. What is 2? What is minimum? 2. Number of surname to 2 letters is 2 letters. So write here length of rectangle. How will you find length of rectangle? Frequency divide by class width into minimum class width. So frequency how much? 6 divided by class width how much? 3, and minimum is 2. So cut 3 ones are 3, 3, 2. So how much? 4. Now 30 divided by 2 into 2. So cut, it is become 2 cut by 2. What is 30? Say frequency 44. 2 into 2, 44. Now 16 divided by 4 into 2. So cut, it is become 8. Now 4 divided by 8 into 2. So what is? It is come 1. Understand it? Now we will on one axis number of letters, on other length of rectangle, and draw the graph. Understand it? So it's finished. So how to make the proportionate of the length of rectangle? Understand it? So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.